A lovely, level, well-maintained, 1-acre lot in a great community. Access to beautiful Lake Gaston via a deeded boat slip and community boat ramp. Water depth in the boat slip was 4 feet on listing day. Water gets progressively deeper farther out into the cove. Lot has been cleared and is regularly mowed by the owner. The lot is tapped for county water and has been previously perked for 4 bedrooms, expired. As part of the North Point Cove community, owners also have access to the community pond just down the road. HOA dues are $25 a year along with a $300 a year fee to the Boat Slip Association.